deleted photos on your iPhone and now you're panicking? Take a deep breath, because your photos might not be gone forever. Most people believe that when they tap delete on an iPhone photo, it disappears instantly and permanently. It feels final, like it's gone in a split second. But the truth is very different. In many cases, deleted photos actually remain inside your device for a while, hidden, not erased. And that means there is still a chance to recover them. However, there's one very important factor that decides whether recovery will work or not. The longer you wait, the lower your chances of getting those photos back. Because when a photo is deleted, your iPhone doesn't immediately destroy the file. Instead, it simply marks the storage space as available. This means the data is still physically there, but it can be overwritten at any moment by new data, like new photos, videos, apps, or system updates. Once that happens, recovery becomes extremely difficult or even impossible. There are also a few situations where photos can be permanently removed faster than you expect. For example, if you manually empty the recently deleted folder, if your phone storage gets filled and overwrites old data, or if you never had any backup at all. That's why acting quickly is absolutely critical. Now, here's the good news. In many cases, you can still recover your deleted photos, and sometimes it only takes a few minutes. Let me walk you through the safest and most effective methods step by step. Step 1. Check the recently deleted folder. This is the easiest and fastest recovery method. When you delete a photo on an iPhone, it doesn't disappear immediately. Instead, it moves to a special folder called Recently Deleted. Apple keeps deleted photos there for 30 days before permanently removing them. Here's how to check. Open the Photos app. Tap Albums at the bottom. Scroll down until you see Recently Deleted. Open the folder. You may need to use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to unlock it. If your photos are still there, you're lucky. Simply tap the photos you want, select Recover, and they will instantly return to your library. If you don't see your photos there, don't panic yet. There are still more options. Step 2. Restore from an iCloud backup. If you use iCloud backup, your deleted photos might still exist in a previous backup. Here's how to check. Go to Settings. Tap your name at the top. Open iCloud. Tap Manage Storage, then Backups. Look for a backup dated before you deleted the photos. If you find one, you may be able to restore your entire device from that backup. Keep in mind, this process replaces your current data with older backup data, so you should proceed carefully and make a fresh backup first. But if the photos are very important, this method can save them. Step 3. Use a professional recovery tool. Now, what if there's no backup, and the photos are not in the recently deleted folder? This is where professional recovery software can help. These tools work by scanning your iPhone's internal storage for deleted data that hasn't been overwritten yet. One popular example is Stellar Data Recovery for iPhone, but there are other trusted tools available as well. Here's the general process. Install the recovery software on your computer. Connect your iPhone using a cable. Launch the software and start a scan. The program will analyze your device and search for recoverable files. Once the scan finishes, you can preview the deleted photos it finds. Select the photos you want and restore them to your computer. Many users are surprised by how many files can still be recovered, even after they thought everything was lost. Important recovery tip. Before you attempt recovery, there is one critical rule you should follow. Stop using your phone as much as possible. Do not take new photos. Avoid installing apps. Try not to download files or record videos. Every new action increases the chance that your deleted data will be overwritten, and once it's overwritten, it's gone for good. Final thoughts. Not every deleted photo can be recovered, but in many cases, especially if you act quickly, the success rate is much higher than people expect. So if you accidentally deleted important memories, don't assume they're lost forever. Check the recently deleted folder first. Look for backups. And if needed, use a recovery tool. Because sometimes what looks permanently gone is actually still there, waiting to be restored. And if you want more simple, practical tech tips that actually work in real life, make sure to check out the next video.